A blunt warning from Alberta could put thousands of international students on alert. Alberta Premier Danielle Smith has said that the international students who come to Canada on temporary study visa should return to their home countries when the legal status expires, and if they are not obligated to permanent residency. Smith made these comments while discussing concerns around the international education, immigration claims, and some colleagues that may have given students unrealistic expectations about getting a permanent residency. In a post on X, Smith stressed that the students on the visa, like the temporary document, meant for just education. Her message was simpler. Students can come to Canada to study, but studying in Canada does not automatically give them a right to stay permanently. Smith said that when there is a space for international students, they should be allowed to study, complete their education, and then return to home if they do not qualify for the permanent residency. Her comments come as the Canada continues to debate its temporary immigrations and the systems that are growing systems of international students in country. One major concern raised by Smith is that the possibility that some educations provide some overstayed immigration opportunities, and she especially discussed the Portridge College in Alberta. Smith rejected the description of the situation as diploma mill, but said that there have been cases where operators took advantage of the students. She also suggested that the Portridge College may have overstayed the pathway that international study to the permanent residency. This is an important distinction of the student planning to study in Canada. A study permit is temporary, while the graduates may become eligible in the different immigration programs after completing their studies. Permanent residency is not guaranteed. And then, eligibility depends on the federal and provincial rules, which can also change with time. Smith was particularly direct about what happens when the temporary status ends. And she said that if the international student's visa expire, they do not have permanent residency, they should go back to home. And for Indian students especially, who make up one of the largest immigration student groups in Canada, this message is especially important. The bigger issue is whether the students are given clear and realistic information before spending years and large amounts of money on education abroad. But that's not all. Canada may still open immigration opportunities, but the message from Alberta is clear. A student visa is not a permanent ticket to Canada. And for the students planning their future there, understanding the visa rules before arriving, may now be as important than ever before.